morning, student. After few days of suspension of online class, today we will start your online class of science, in which we have to discuss the exercise questions of chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals. In previous classes, we have already done the explanation of chapter 2, that is the nutrition in animals, in which we have already discussed about the nutrition, types of nutrition, and nutrition in humans as well as nutrition in amoeba. And we have already discussed in the previous turns, that is the hard words of the chapter and few multiple choice question and fill in the blanks and true false in the previous term. In this video we have to share the more exercise question which is given in your back of the chapter, and along with discuss with the previous exercises which we have already done today. First we have already discussed about the hard words. Now I am just repeating because few days are lacking. First one is hard words is ingestion, second one is digestion, third one is esophagus, fourth one is absorption, fifth one is assimilation, sixth one is cellulose, seventh one is ruminant, eighth one is pancreas, ninth one is pseudopodia, and 10th one is permanent teeth. Now after discussing the hard words, we have moved to your exercise question, that is fill in the blanks. The main step of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Next, fill in the blanks, that is the largest gland in the human body, that is liver. Third, fill up the blanks. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. Fourth, fill up the blanks. The inner wall of small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called villi, V-I-L-L-I. Last, fill up the blanks. Amoeba digests the food in the food vacuole. Now move on to the question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Digestion of starch start in the stomach. That helps in mixing food with saliva. That statement is true. Third, the gallbladder temporarily stores bile. That is the true. And last, true false is ruminants bring back swallows grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. That is also true. Now move on to the multiple choice question, that is tick mark the correct answer in each of the following. You have to do multiple choice question, and each question you are given the 4 options. You have to write these 4 options in your copy also. First is fat is completely digested in. 4 option is stomach, mouth, small intestine, large intestine. The correct answer will be small intestine. Second, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the stomach, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine. The correct option will be the large intestine. These are the previous work we have done few days ago before your class test. Now today's work is match the following. Match the items of the column 1 with those given in the column 2. In this matching question, you have to write the right answer in the same column in front of the question. First one, food component, that is column 2. Main heading is product of digestion. First one is carbohydrate. Product of digestion is sugar. Second one is proteins. Product of digestion is amino acid. This means proteins can be turned after digestion into the amino acids. And third food component is fats, and it will be changed after digestion in the more simpler part that we have already discussed in your explanation part, that fats will digested in the form of simple molecule, that is fatty acid and glycerol. So these are the matching which you have done. Now move on to the next question, that is the question answer. Question number 5. What are villi? In the question number 5, you have already seen there is an intermingration of two questions. Already you have seen. First question is what are villi, and second part is what is their location and function. Answer: the inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. This is the first part of the answer. Now move to the second part of the answer. Second part of the question is what is their location and function. You have to tell about their location and function also. First we have telling about its location. It is located in the small intestine. And what is its function? The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Sixth question. Where is the bile produced? Where is the bile produced? Which component of food does it help to digest? In another question number 6, you have already seen there is intermingration of two questions again. First question is about where is bile produced, and second question, which component of the food does it help to digest? So first answer, bile juice is produced in the liver, and second part of the question, it helps in the digestion of fats by breaking large fat molecules into smaller ones. That is what is it is written in form, that is IE, that is fatty acid and glycerol. Fat molecules you already know, it is digested is by the help of bile juice, and by the mixing of bile juice it can be disintegrated into simpler particle, that is fat is already digested in the simpler molecules fatty acid and glycerol. Question number 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Answer number 7 is, first is name the type of carbohydrate. What is the name of the carbohydrate which is digested by the ruminants? That is cellulose. Is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans, because human lacks cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Why human body cannot digest the cellulose? Because in our body cellulase enzyme is not found in our digestive system. In this answer number 7, you have also draw the digestive system of ruminants with illustrate your answer. Okay, thank you student. Do your work in the fair copy.